Hi, my name is Allison, and I'm a junior at Oakland Mills High School. A fun fact about myself is that I like to draw. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper snowflake. What you'll need is a pair of scissors and any piece of paper. The first thing you'll want to do is fold the corner of your paper so that it forms a triangle. It should line up with the edge of your paper. Afterwards, you'll want to cut along the line that's formed by the triangle. Now what you should have left is a triangle. Once you have your triangle, fold it in half so that you have a smaller triangle. After this, you'll want to flip it over so that the point is facing towards you. Fold one of the edges over, but not all the way. Next, take the other side and fold it over. Then flip it over and cut below the line that I'm pointing out. What you should have left is a small triangle. Now you can cut pieces off of your triangle. You can cut from the sides, you can cut from the top or the corner. Just make sure you don't cut too big of a piece. When you're done, you can unfold your triangle, and now you'll have a snowflake. You can color these, you can draw on these, you can hang them up, or you can give them to a friend or a family member. Thank you for watching this video. Remember that your libraries have a lot of great books for you to read. Keep reading, keep learning, and thank you for watching.